Hey, I'm Bruce Naylor, your FrugalTech, and I'm always looking for ways to save people money with technology, making people money with technology. And one of the things that you can do is defrag your Windows hard drives on a regular basis. But you got to remember, with the free utility, you've got to make that happen manually. But there is software out there such as Diskeeper. You do pay for that, but it will automate the process for you. Now, I come across an interview with one of the folks at Diskeeper, and they put together a list of 10 reasons why people in the computer industry, value-added resellers, all that should embrace defragmentation. But you know what? These are good tips for anybody out there that's a PC or technology enthusiast. You know, I am, and so these are some good points. Number one, look, it says that savvy VARs have defragmenters on their customer servers, not just for the profit margins, but because it helps eliminate those pesky service calls like system slowdowns or even drive failures. Defragging can help eliminate those altogether, and that's a very good point. Number two, a lot of companies are looking at doing server virtualization, and that's a big thing, and there's going to be more and more of it. Well, if you've got 4 or 5 servers consolidated into one, guess what? You're getting a lot more drive activity going on that new server that's hosting the virtual machines, and thus subject to a lot more fragmentation, slowdowns, and problems. So you want to make sure that those are defragged as well, and those drives are running at their optimal speeds. Number 3, defragging provides more time by saving your machines from excess drive head activity. When those files start to get scattered all over the drive, there's more seeks, more read times involved, and that slows everything down. It becomes a big bottleneck. Number 4, defragging really busy systems like SQL Server, Exchange, all that. If you don't, the slower they run, the more everything in the network starts to slow down, because we're waiting on all these bottlenecks in the input-output of your network. So you want to speed that up. You get when your machines are running well and at their maximum speeds, it's really probably one of the defragmenters, one of the cheapest, most inexpensive performance and maintenance tools that you can have for your computers. So whether you're a VAR, whether you're a computer technician, whether you're doing your own thing for your business, it's really cheap to buy this software and to get to run. Number 6, 1 file equals 1 scan. So 1,000 fragmented files equals 1,000 scans. Thus, defragging cuts along antivirus scans, and those times nearly in half. And the same applies to backup times. Managing, this is just a simple numbers game, really. The more fragmentation you have, the more you're going to suffer. Number 7, load times for Office documents and like Word, Excel, and Outlook show a real big increase in speed after you defrag your hard drive. And you can also increase your boot times by defragging the master file table, we call the MFT, and even web browsing can be sped up through defragmentation. Now, there may be some people that have some arguments of that, but I have seen dramatic improvements on my Windows-based PC after I've ran a defrag, after it's been a while since I've done it. Number 8, even though you have the fastest CPU and all the memory in the world available, a machine's performance is affected by fragmentation. Why? Because the hard drive is still the slowest component in the computer at the end of the day. So everything else is playing a game of catch-up. So the faster you can make that drive read and write data, the faster the whole system is going to respond. And number 9, automatic defragging makes your job easier, and it takes the guesswork out of scheduling. You use this software, set a schedule, and it does it for you automatically. You don't have to think about it anymore. So that's good point. And finally, number 10, the 10th and best reason defrag is your free time. You're using the scheduling, it's doing it for you automatically. You don't have to hang around after hours, whatever. Look, whatever it is, spend your free time doing other stuff. Embrace automatic defragging. as opposed to doing a manual thing. You'll be happy you did. It'll save you money. It'll make you money. It's a good tool. Cheap insurance, keeps your machines and your network happy. I'm Bruce Naylor, your FrugalTech. Make sure to visit us at www.frugalbrothers, that's F-R-U-G-A-L brothers.com. And also check out our blog site at thefrugaltechshow.com. Hey, I'm Bruce Naylor. Remember, if it's in your shop and not making you money or saving you money, get it out of there. I'll talk to you later.